How to fix headphones not detected in Windows 11. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix headphones not being detected in Windows 11. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. First, make sure your headphones are definitely plugged in all the way. You can also try unplugging them and plugging them back in or testing them in a different port if your computer has one. Next, look at the bottom right corner of your screen and find the sound icon in the taskbar. Right-click on the sound icon and select Sound Settings from the menu. Here, you'll see your output devices. Double-check to see if your headphones show up in the list. If you see them listed, just click to select them, and you should start hearing audio right away. If you don't see your headphones listed, scroll down a bit and find the option called More Sound Settings, then click on it. This will open up a separate window. Go to the Playback tab and look for your headphones in the list of devices. If you see them but they look grayed out or disabled, right-click on them and select Enable. Once you've enabled them, click OK to close the window. Your headphones should now appear in your output devices list and you can select them to start using them. That's all for the video. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple tutorials. Thanks for watching.